Hello and welcome. I'm Yvette Farrugia from Enchanted Cakes by Yvette. Let's work on our Buttercream Succulents cake together. So we've started with a 9-inch round cake covered in white buttercream frosting, and we've allowed this to crust up and set in the fridge using an American style buttercream. We've pre-made our beautiful peach rosettes in 2 different shades of peach buttercream and in varying sizes as well, and just applied them onto our cake in a basic crescent shape, because we're going to go back and infill it with all our beautiful green leaves and succulents so that the final design is in a crescent shape. Okay, so for our rosettes, we've used the large petal tip by Loyal, and then we've also used a beautiful small closed star tip, the Loyal number 2, for some finer detail in our peach buttercream. For all our greenery, we've used a large round tip, the Wilton 1A, and then we've also used 3 large open star tips by Loyal, the 4B, the number 32, and the 6B. Our leaf tip is also the Loyal 352, which we've used in a shade of green as well. To add our small white details onto our succulents, we've used the small round tip Loyal number 5. You can hop onto our website at www.enchantedcakesbyyvette.com, where you can download our Buttercream Ultimate Guide, which includes our signature recipe and all of our expert tips to ensure your success every time. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and of course, if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Also, don't forget to follow me on my socials so you never miss out on new content and amazing cake designs. See you next time.